Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app location not working, iPhone and Android, GPS and permissions. Fix 1. Check phone location services. For Android users, open your phone setting, tap location and you just have to turn the main switch on. Then again tap on the location services and ensure Google location accuracy is turned on. For iPhone users, you have to open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap the location service and toggle the switch on. Fix 2. Update app location permission. For Android users, open the setting and tap on the apps or apps and notification. Then select the McDonald's from the list of apps, tap on permissions, then select location. Choose allow only while using the app. Turn on use a precise location. For iPhone, open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on the McDonald's, tap on location, select while using the app, then toggle the precise location to on. Fix 3. Clear cache and app data. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, and choose the McDonald's and tap on Storage. Then you have to click on Clear Cache, then tap on Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Swipe up on the app to close it. Then navigate to Setting, General, iPhone Storage, select the app you want to offload, McDonald's, then tap on the Offload app to free up the space. Fix 4. Final network reset both devices. You just have to open the control panel and disable your VPN if activate. Toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds and then turn it off to refresh your cell signal. Open the McDonald's app and attempt to place your order again. Thanks for watching.